Hey everyone, welcome to this quick but super useful tutorial where I'm going to show you exactly how to import JSON data into Power BI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll not only know the steps, but you'll also understand what's happening at each stage. Whether you're working with APIs, automation, or just moving data between systems, JSON files are everywhere, and being able to seamlessly import them into Power BI is a must-have skill for any data enthusiast. So let's dive right in. First, open up Power BI on your computer. This is your main workspace, so make sure you're at the home screen. That's where all the magic begins. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry if the interface looks a bit overwhelming at first. You'll get the hang of it as you use it more. Now, once you're in Power BI, direct your attention to the top ribbon and select Home. This is your starting point for most tasks, and you'll see a bunch of options lined up here. What we're looking for is the button labeled Get Data. So go ahead and click that. Think of Get Data as the front door to Power BI. It's how you connect anything external, Excel files, databases, web pages, and in our case, JSON files into your project. Once you click Get Data, you'll see a whole list of data source options pop up. There are a lot to choose from, but we're going to focus on JSON. To make your life easier, just hop into the search bar at the top of this window and type JSON. You'll notice the available data connectors instantly filter down, making it quick to find what you need. Click on the JSON connector that shows up. This tells Power BI you're planning to work with a JSON file, which is a really common format for structured data these days. When you click Connect, Power BI will prompt you to select the specific JSON file you want to bring in. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your JSON file is written and saved correctly. A simple way to do this is to use a text editor like Notepad, and make sure the file has the JSON extension at the end. That way, Power BI will recognize it immediately. If your data is opened up in Notepad or Notepad++, for example, just save it with that extension and you're set. If you're not sure your file is in the right format, take a quick look. JSON data should be structured in curly brackets or square brackets, almost like a recipe with labeled ingredients and values. Now find your file in the dialog box, select it, and hit Open. Power BI might take a few seconds here to process and read through the structure of your JSON file, especially if you're working with a large dataset. Don't worry if there's a short pause, that's totally normal. Power BI will then show you a preview of your imported data, and from here you can start shaping, transforming, and visualizing it however you like. And that's it, you've just connected your JSON data to Power BI. Not only is the file imported, but you're now set up to explore and analyze your data with all of Power BI's powerful tools. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want more tips about Power BI or data imports, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.